To use tracking in CapCut, start by opening the app and selecting the project you want to work on. Tracking is a powerful feature that allows you to follow the movement of an object or person within a video clip. First, import the video clip you want to track by tapping the Add Media button and selecting the video from your gallery. Once the video is imported, tap on it to select it and then tap the Edit button. In the Edit menu, scroll down to the Track option and select it. The track feature will be activated and you will see a rectangle with a plus sign in the center of the screen. To start tracking, tap on the object or person you want to track and drag the rectangle around it to select it. You can adjust the size of the rectangle by pinching your fingers. Once you have selected the object, tap the play button to start the tracking process. CapCut will analyze the video and track the movement of the selected object. You can then use the tracked object to add text, shapes, or other effects that will follow the object as it moves. To add an effect, tap on the Effect button and select the one you want to use. You can also adjust the tracking settings by tapping on the settings icon. Here you can adjust the sensitivity and speed of the tracking. Best practice is to use a high-quality video with a clear view of the object you want to track. This will ensure that the tracking is accurate and smooth. Another best practice is to use the tracking feature in combination with other effects and transitions to create a professional-looking video. By following these steps and tips, you can use the tracking feature in CapCut to create engaging and professional-looking videos.